Hey everyone, today we are going to know how you can move your clips in DaVinci Resolve. There are several ways you can do it. First one is very simple. You have to select all the clips you want to move like this and drag this to move left or right. Now if you want to select all the clips of your entire timeline, then press Ctrl plus A or Command plus A for MacBook. Now move all the clips like this. Now if you want to move the clips which are located right side of your playhead like this, here are the clips which are right side in my playhead and I want to move all the clips. So there is a shortcut key. Press Alt plus Y or Option plus Y for MacBook. Now drag this left or right to move. And now if you want to move all the clips which are left side of your playhead, then select Ctrl plus Alt plus Y or Command plus Option plus Y for MacBook and drag this to move all the clips which are left side of your playhead. Now there is also two shortcuts, like pressing Y you can select all the clips of video 1 only which are located right side of your playhead, and dragging them you can move the only video 1 clips, and Ctrl plus Y for moving the video 1 clips which are left side in your playhead like this. So if this video makes some help for you, then make sure to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.